Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can input the SD card into your DJI Mavic Pro. So first of all, we have to rotate our device and we have to simply open the downward arm, and it's this one, the left one actually, and we have to open this plastic part. So we can use, for example, your fingernail, put it right here and then move it a little bit downwards. And as you can see right here, we can find input for the micro SD card right here. So I'm gonna remove it from this adapter, and that's also the information how we can put it in. So it will go like this, in this position. So let's do this right now. Maybe I'm gonna rotate a little bit to show you how it looks. Okay, so take a look. That's how we have to input this micro SD card. Use your fingernail, put it inside, and then you can close this plastic part. And that's the easy way to input SD card into your DJI Mavic Pro. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.